Alright, here's my 95 Probe GT. I'm trying to figure out what sound it makes when it goes in because it drains the battery and it pisses me off. This is right here. It comes from under the dash. It's like almost a door being open sound, but I don't know what it is and it drains my battery, so hold on. Let's wait for it. Hold on. It should make it. It's a weird sound. Hold on. Car has 102K on it. Still doing good. It's not much for this kind of car. Let's see, hold on. I think it's if I stick the key in. Alright, you guys hear? It's that sound. Hold on. That's the sound it does. It does it even when I'm out of the car is locked. It just keeps on going and it drains my battery and it pisses me off. So right now I'm charging my battery, trying to get it straightened out. It stopped, but it'll probably start again. When I walk by it, when I get home from school, I can sometimes hear it doing it, so it just does it until it drains the battery, and I don't know what it is. I mean, I guess I could just go into the dash and unplug random stuff, but see if any of you have had this problem, so I'm just trying to figure it out.